It is time for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we have a new product from Kitty. And in today's Super Mini MDK8 we're having a new SEGA Mini console. And this time it's a pretty damn unique one because it comes with a little cartridge. Alright, what are we going to get within this little box? Before I'm going to unpack everything, I like to point out it seems to be there are a lot of different versions. We got here the 88, 99, 180 and even the 167 in one. I'm happy because I got the biggest collection. Alright, let's go. What comes inside this little box? Alright, let's begin with the power supply. It's still wrapped up, but this is a European micro USB power supply. It's using an AV out, so a little bit of bummer, no HDMI. And it got this little 2.5 inch jack. It only has mono sound, so a little bummer again. Two controllers, but this is really unique. The controller feels pretty damn nice. It got a really nice touch to it, it feels quite heavy. It's not that really cheap ass Sega controllers with the wiggly buttons. No, it feels like a really nice legit controller. It comes with this little multi-game card. I'm going to power it on without to see what happens. So that fits in like an original card, you know what I mean, fitting it in the slot. There is no manual so far I can see, but it comes with this mini show list. Let's zoom in a little bit. I hope you can see it on the camera, what kind of games comes with it. If I can see, this is number 1, Sonic 2 is on this thing. Echo, Balloon Boy. All the Street of Rage are on it, Golden Axe. Alright, let's turn it around. Alright, let's keep it in front of the camera. And what you can see is what you're going to get. Alright, let's connect it to the old school monitor and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is connect it to the television and we're going to power it on without the cartridge in the system. So I am not using it the first try. And what we can see here is containing built-in games, 11 of them. Sonic, Gunstar, Golden Axe, Bare Knuckles 3. So in overall, pretty damn nice. So it's ready, got some built-in games. Alright, even some homebrew games. Let's power it off. Stick in the cartridge. Still we got the same depressing song, only a little bit slower this time. Alright, we got some categories. Adventures, let's choose Adventures. Sonic the Hedgehog 2 is now on this side of the collection. Alright. Is it better that they categorize it? Let's reset it. I don't know. Ah, it's working again. Sports. And alright. Here we have all the fighting games. Now what you can see, like the little paper was telling us, we got a lot of great games. Alright, let's do some gameplay. More volume. Alright, let's see how the controls responding. The sound is way off. I must say that the controller is not, the D-pad itself is not responding perfectly. Still getting that feeling it's a little bit laggy or something like that. Alright, let's choose Ryu, because I wanted to try out some moves. Oh yeah, we're going to play against Zangief. Yeah, that sounds really slow. Alright, push button. Still, the moves come out instantly, so there's not a big problem with it. I still got a feeling, maybe it's because I'm not used to Sonic 2 anymore, but... Down you to go down! Soundtrack sounds really awful on this thing. So why can't I do my move? It's the fact that I really need to get used to these controllers. They're not awful. Of course not like the real original SEGA from back in the 90s. The button response is very nice. Alright.
Let the carnage begin!
Searching for the button. Oh, here it is.
Shred is dominating the race!
What just happened?
Snake looks lost out there!
Man, these buttons are not very responsive sometimes. I don't know what it is, but...
Red fades into last!
I'm pushing the button but it stops racing. What is up with that? Okay, now I'm pressing the button but nothing is happening, so I need to press it again. Really annoying. Why do I have the feeling that when I'm using the 11.1 built-in games, that it's running way smoother? Look at this! Skill that is the weird screen tearing. Look how fast that is! What the hell is going on with this thing? And I'm even getting the feeling that the control is way better responsive now. That is some weird stuff. but the music is still not perfect. Alright people, for the final conclusion of the Powkiddy Super Mini MDK8. I really love this really cute little collectible mini console, and what makes it extra cute is the little mini cart. It almost got we are getting 180 games, so that's pretty much. There is no way of adding new games, you cannot use your original games, but yeah, and overall what you see is what you're going to get. I think the games built in are running better than the games are on the cartridge. Why? I don't know. Maybe it explains also a little bit of input lag that I'm having when playing some games. But yeah, games like Street Fighter works just fine and getting the moves out instantly. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Are you considering buying something like this? Yep, check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye! And no people, you cannot save, you cannot quick load, quick save, whatever. It's old school. Retro China style.